Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by minimizing risk. Make a current backup to the cloud or an external drive so you can restore saves if needed. Once done, update or prepare a USB installer with the latest Ps5 full system software. You then fully power off the console and hold the power button until you hear a second beep to enter safe mode. From here, you can run basic fixes like rebuild database. That's the first actionable repair step, to locate and repair corrupted file references. You will now perform the complex middle work. Run rebuild database in safe mode to compact and correct the file system. This often resolves most corruption. If problems persist, remove the specific corrupted game or app from console storage and reinstall it from your library or disk. If system files are damaged, download the full Ps5 reinstall package to a FAT32/X FAT USB drive and choose Reinstall System Software in safe mode. Do these steps in order to isolate software level. Finish by restoring your backed up saves and redownloading games from your PSN library, making sure to verify each title after installation. If corruption remains across multiple apps, consider initialize Ps5 full to wipe and reinstall everything. That is a last resort because it deletes local data. If you encounter persistent errors, record the exact error codes and try alternate USB ports or drives. If nothing helps, contact PlayStation support with logs and codes so they can advise hardware-level repairs or replacements.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.